Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today we're taking a look at a 2017 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch alloys. The tires are in great condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back. In the back we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, a set of all-season and regular floor mats. And alongside this one comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Excuse me, this actually comes with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 8,287 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.